So this is a proprioception exercise, which basically means the patient is trying to balance as well as to have a control on the knee complex. This is generally is done on after 8 to 10 weeks of surgery, and this gives a very good control on the knee complex as well as the quadriceps as well as the ankle. So this is overall balance exercises. You have to make sure the patient is stable, can take weight in one leg. So one leg standing exercise is very important before you do this exercise. In the course of this exercise, if the patient complains that the sharp pain in front of the knee or any kind of discomfort which is more than usual, so you have to stop the exercise.